It's been a long day.
I was in the sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. We talked for a second. You fronted me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text, another next. Thing I know, I'm like, manifest. That's your oversized. I digress. Got me scrolling like out of breath. Got me going like. It's the cute boy with the white jacket and the thick accent. Maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we'd have really good backhand. How you pick me up and down, tell me around, no, it does make sense.
Got a lot going on up in here, don't they? Oh my gosh.
I love it.
You looking for all the blue stuff, huh?
Yeah. I'm looking for a little white, but I can't find it. My two favorite birds. They're your birds. Oh, yeah. Right here. Yeah. Doing my tree. I couldn't find all this pink.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's real pretty.
I go back to pink. I like that pink house though.
I like the little candy right there. The store has like everything in here. It's a lot going on. See if we can find some brown ribbon or burgundy, dark burgundy ribbon, because it's kind of hard to find in my area. You know, I just like to have like the little ribbon for the tree. And burgundy is kind of hard to find.
Very.
Oh, these are pretty. Look at this. This is my dad. And Hubs right there. Y'all look bored.
Cute. I need to get that for him. I'll get you one.
No, I'm good. I don't need no more stuff.
Oh, come on now.
You see something you like?
No. I like to look at the conference.
Oh. Look at those ornaments right there.
200.
Oh yeah.
It is pretty.
$200, guys, for this right here. So yeah, this is Carolina Pottery. Like I said earlier, they have everything.
Yeah, that next intersection. Oh man. Oh,
I'm so glad y'all went over here no more. I'm like, geez.
Oh my gosh, yeah, this, okay guys, this is where we used to live. Wow, that's crazy. You guys are about to see our old house.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Halloween like you, though.
They still doing Halloween though. Look at all the trees in the back, they're kind of gone though.
Old house.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's your old house.
Our old house. Right there, the brown with the...
Oh man, look at the shrubs. Oh, they're not keeping them up. Oh, look how look how the shrubs overgrown.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
Look at how the shrubs are overgrown.
Wow. Look at our old house.
Wow.
Yeah, she was talking about this headless horseman. But I told her I already have a couple of these already.
Oh my Lord. Girl, I got so much stuff. Like a little candy bowl like this.
Yeah, you don't need to buy nothing else.
I'm not buying nothing else.
Oh, I have her already.
You do? I like her though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep her.
And you know, you can always take stuff to Goodwill too.
Well, I'm gonna do that. I really am.
You said the lights come on?
Yeah, they'll come on in a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Boy, it'd be so pretty when they come on tomorrow.
Oh yeah. When the storm came, like my parents they were without power for like about a week. So they're just trying to get everything back together. So, okay, so we're using the colors blue and white, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want to tell everybody what that's for?
White is lung cancer. The blue is colon cancer. I had 2 brothers. One had lung cancer, one had colon cancer. So, and he died in February, the one with colon cancer. So I'm dedicating this tree to him and Dexter.
Okay.
To your Uncle Man and your Uncle Dexter.
Right. So, do you have a method to how you decorate your tree?
No. I surely do
Because they
not.
always look so put together.
Do it.
Yeah.
Because I put stuff on there, then I stand back and look
Uh-huh.
and say, hold up. See, I got these big balls, but I got small balls as well. So
Right.
I got this at Wally World. No, I didn't. I got it at home. At home getting trifling.
Yeah. Went to my parents' house, and my mom was getting rid of some of her Halloween things. And there were two globes. She doesn't have a lot of Halloween, but because she doesn't really do like Halloween, she likes fall, and she likes Christmas, right? But she did have a few Halloween things. This globe right here was something that I wanted. It has like the witch hands right there. Yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and take this off your hands. And then this one right here, another globe. I have quite a few globes. I do, but I like this one too. This is from Possible Dreams collection. What do you guys think about this? Huh? Like it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was a lot of work. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work. And I don't know when I'm going to do my Christmas trees. Give me about another week or two, and then I'll be ready for Christmas.